Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share a very tasty and nutritious ragi cookie recipe which is very easy to make at home and you can enjoy it guilt free. And also I am sharing oven and no oven recipe how to make it in kadai. So without much ado, let's get started. So here I have 1 cup of ragi flour which we will lightly roast in a pan for 3 to 4 minutes. Stir it continuously for 3 to 4 minutes on medium to low flame. Now I am taking all the roasted ragi flour in a bowl, so it will be easy for us to pour it in another bowl. So in a clean bowl, I am taking 1/3 cup of ghee. I have taken homemade ghee, clarified butter, but you all can use Amul butter or a coconut wood pressed coconut oil also. Into this I am adding half a cup of jaggery and I'll give a good mix. I am adding 2 to 3 drops of vanilla essence and again I'll give a good mix. Adding half of the ragi flour and half of the almond flour and I'll give a good mix. And now I'm adding 1/4 cup of a khapli wheat flour. If you do not have khapli wheat flour, you all can use regular wheat flour also. Now I'm adding other half of the almond flour and ragi flour and we'll give a good mix. Into this I'm adding 2 tablespoons of milk to make it binding consistency. And I will knead it like a dough. So you all can see now we can make bowl size cookie with this dough. So today I am sharing a without oven recipe in kadai and oven also. So I am sharing both the recipes, how to make in oven and how to make without oven. You all must have noticed I have not used baking powder and baking soda. I have tried this cookie making without baking powder and baking soda. And also you must have observed that I have used almond flour. You first how to make with the hands. Make a lemon size ball. So I am showing you how to make first with the hands. So first you have to make a lemon size ball and then you have to roll it in your palms, both the palms, and press it with your palms and give a shape like this and set it in a tray. So here I have ready all the cookies. And I have placed the butter paper in the plate. You can use any thali or a plate, whatever available at your place. And now we will set this plate in the kadai. So here I am placing this plate in the kadai. So I have placed this plate in the kadai and I will cover this with this lid and we'll let this cook for 12 to 15 minutes on medium to low flame. So here I am rolling our cookies for the oven. Dough will little bit crack, but it doesn't matter. You all can keep rolling. So you all can see I have rolled like a roti. And now we'll give a round cut with this cookie cutter. You all can use any cookie cutter shape whichever you like. I am having this shape, so I will use this one. So now all the cookies are ready for the oven and I have preheated my oven at 180 degrees Celsius and we'll let this bake in the oven for 14 to 16 minutes and I'll keep checking in between. I am giving the slight design to my cookie. If you wish, you also can give a slight design. Our kadai cookies are also ready. It took 14 to 15 minutes to cook it in the kadai. Our kadai cookies have turned out so good. You all can see. So here our oven and no oven cookies are ready. I hope you liked my ragi cookie recipes. If you really liked my ragi cookie recipe, please do try this recipe at home. Share your feedback in comment box below. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching my channel.